Today I go to flea market. It's at Golden West College. Household. My favorite area. 50-cent clothes. 50 cent each. Cravats. CD. I love these. Who love books? Tumblers and perfumes. Bracelets. Construction machinery. Incense. Many stuffs. Blind boxes. Capybaras. USA styles. $5 clothes. CD again. Socks and underwears. Hair clips. Hats. Garage sale. Silks. Spools. Vietnamese clothes. Plants. Phone cases. Tacos. Toys. Dolls. Sunny Angel. Dolls again. Mexican fruits. Electric bikes. Army clothes. I love these jackets. $1 clothes. $5 for everything. Backpacks. Lots of shoes. Vietnamese foods. Beef tacos. Mexican sells dogs. So cute.